Hi friends, we will see the part 2 for the reusable workflow. So let's go to the old versions. The, if you don't see the part 1, so please go in the description. There is a link for the part 1. So you just go through that part 1 and come to the part 2. So here we can see message boxes, uh, libraries, projects. Open this. This is a reusable workflow. This is a plain workflow. So now in the part 1, part 2, what we will do, how to pass the variables values to the workflow. This is a workflow, reusable workflow. Just in the variable nearby there is a argument list. So open that argument panel. Just create a user name. That is a one argument. So here is a direction. It is a in out in out property like that. So it's like a the workflow reusable workflow is nothing but a one function or method like that in programming. So for function we're passing the values to the function. That is what here we're passing the arguments to the reusable workflow. So here you know the type of the arguments. If you want to mention, now it is a string only. If you want to declare the default value, so no user, I'm giving the default value for that argument. And here welcome to UiPath. So here Mr. plus username. I'm typing user name. Okay, it's always string. If you run by default, what it will do, it will show the default value of the username. See, welcome to UiPath.learner YouTube, Mr. No User. Okay, so now just go to the our main reuse main robot. So here we called that function. After that, import arguments. So here is the username. So edit arguments. You can pass the values from this. So Sudhir Nimagada. So I just pass the values to the workflow. So here is the main robot. So here there is no message box here. I just pass click on the edit arguments and pass the values. So here you can pass the values with the double quotes or you can pass the variables. So if your value is in the variable, just pass the variable to the value. Okay, let's run this. Now see Mr. Sudhir Nimgada. So here is a thing. We have two parts. So we just see for if you have a this is a reuse. If it is reuse variable, sorry, reuse method, you can use this into the robot one and robot what 2. So you can use this reusable method that workflow in any number of robots. That is the main advantage of once you created the one stuff or one step of tasks in single the reuse method, and you can use this workflow in any number of these things. So what I am asking you to do is so create a one reuse workflow that has to open the browser and login. Okay, login. So what you have to do, you have to pass the URL. So this is opening browser and these things and all. Let's by default we are using the in many robots. So you can use that type of things, and otherwise addition, subtraction, like that. So let's go keep on watching my videos. The next part 3, I will explain about the how to pass the values to the workflow and how to get the values from the workflow to the main robot. Please subscribe my channel UiPath.learner. Thank you for watching.